Hi, today we discuss what is effective business communication, importance of effective business communication, and types of effective business communication. So, what is effective business communication? Effective communication is the process of exchanging ideas, thoughts, opinions, knowledge, and data so that the message is received and understood with clarity and purpose. When we communicate effectively, both the sender and receiver feel satisfied. Importance of communication. Communication plays a vital part in building up a strong relationship across the world, either in organizational structure or outside of it. It is an essential pillar for people in sharing the ideas, delegating responsibilities, management of a team, building up a healthy relationship, etc. Effective communication is necessary for managers in the organization for planning, organizing, leading and controlling. Managers of the organization are dedicated enough in communicating throughout the day in various tasks performances. They spend the whole time communicating face-to-face or over the phone to their colleagues, subordinates and the clients. Managers also use written communication in the form of emails, memos, daily reports, and so on. Effective communication is a successful building block of the organizational structure. Here the importance of communication can be briefed as follows. Sometimes good communication encourages motivational skills. It is a mode of information in the decision-making process. Communication emphasizes socializing within or outside the organizational structure. It helps in controlling the process. Employees have to follow the organization rule, code of conduct, and other company policies. Types of communication. There are 4 types of communication. It is categorized into verbal, non-verbal, written, and visual. Verbal. Verbal communication is one of the modes where people communicate or transfer information through words. It is one of the common and usual types and frequently used during one-on-one presentations, video calls or conferences, meetings, phone calls, etc. Non-verbal. Non-verbal communication is the use of body language. It includes body gestures, facial expression, and shaking hands, etc. For example, how you sit during an interview automatically reflects your body language. If they are indicating closed body language like closed arms, bent shoulders, shaking legs, etc., they might be nervous, low in confidence, surrounded with anxiety, etc. Nonverbal communication is the most powerful communication to understand others' thoughts and emotions. Written. Written is the form of communication that involves writing, typing and printing symbols, letters, etc. It is used in emails, chats, etc., which are the common techniques of using it in the workplace. Whereas it also furnishes a record of all docs in one place and keeps a systematic account of it. Visual. Visualizing is a form of communication where one can use photographs, drawing charts and graphs to convey information through it. It helps in furnishing the right information through graphics and visuals during office presentation, along with verbal and written. Here are few examples of visual communication. Road signages, logos and branding, charts and graphs. Safety signages. Dear viewers, improving your communication in everyday life involves active listening, being empathetic, using clear and concise language, maintaining eye contact, and being aware of body language. Practice these skills regularly to enhance your interactions with others. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.